So today we got quite a few different things going on. The first thing we need to do is go see one of my handymen. Basically, one of my hose reels come off completely, so I need to get that reinstalled in the van, get that remounted. Second of all, we got a job in South Norwood in London, so that job should just take me around, what, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. That includes washing the windows and washing off the bins as well. So yeah man, today should be eventful. High pressure hose all drilled into the bottom of the van, solid. So now cleaning up and tidying up after the job is no longer going to be tedious. And my 30-meter garden hose, I've now added 30 more meters, so that's 60 meters altogether. I just need to get home and reel that all in, and I'm good to go. I think next, once I have everything tidied up and sorted, probably do a what's inside of my van video and explain each thing.
A few moments later.
appreciate you guys for watching today's video. Don't leave without liking, without commenting what you want to see next, and without subscribing, man. But as for me, I'm off to the gym. When I'm done, probably gonna go home, edit this video, read my Bible, call it a day, man. But I'll see you guys when I see you. Peace.